Hi everyone, I'm Starwolf1,
I'm Midnight.
And I'm Yuba West Boudreaux.
and here we are to tell you about our new channel. You guys want to start or should I?
You.
Alright, so this channel is going to be called The Weekend Girls, Weekend Wolf Girls, right guys? Alright,
Oh, we can wolf pack.
let's just go with Weekend Wolf Girls, okay?
What?
What? What
In the
is...
summer we'll
Okay.
be posting more videos, so just deal with what you get, please.
Mm-hmm.
And please no mean comments.
Yeah,
If you guys say I look like I have a sticker on my forehead, it's not.
it's not, trust me.
That's
We
why
will
I'll be
find
having
you
my hood
and
down
murder you all.
like that. And if
Very
we get
sour
any
food.
hate comments,
We will actually,
Find you.
not find you, more like just block you from our channel. Because we don't like haters, I don't think anybody does.
Forever.
And we will be posting on, what's today?
Saturday.
On Saturdays.
Saturdays and Sundays.
Yeah, well we can. Sometimes it might just be two of us, like me and her, or it might be me and her. On account of I'm the one who comes here the most, because we are currently at the library.
Yeah, but don't tell them which library.
I wasn't going to.
Good.
That would be weird.
And we're locked in a mental room.
Shut
And
up.
no, we're not.
No, we're not.
We're just in like a study room.
Yeah, we're just in a study room. Promise.
And
But remember, I'm the crazy
guys,
one.
can I say something? Okay, so if you guys think that we should do truth or dare videos, some of you can actually put the dares in the comments, or we
Other
can make
video
the dares.
or other video suggestions would be good too.
Yeah,
And
we just don't
we'll
wanna
pick
do
the
one
dares
thing.
that found the most creative.
but if you guys say we should introduce our families,
Say no, we're not
no.
gonna do that.
Plus,
I
if-
might show you a picture of
put
my
it
cat
in-
from time to time.
If you put in any sexual dares, you're
Be gone, thoughts. That's what it's gonna be like.
Yeah. Be gone, you twats.
I said thoughts.
Thank God my friends from my other school aren't here.
Oh god, that would
That's
be
fine.
crazy.
I hope they don't subscribe
Anyway.
to your channel, or else they would do sexual dares.
Anyway,
Trust
that's
me.
all for now.
Peace
Bye.
out.
Bye.